Good morning, ma'am, and my dear colleagues. Today, my topic is types and theories of pain. Let's start with it. Now, classification of pain. First one is duration. It acute or chronic. Acute is a sudden onset of the pain. It lasts for seconds to 6 months. Chronic is last for the more than 6 months. Location. Second one is location. That's preferred and non-preferred. Preferred, that pain felt other than the injured or the diseased area. Non-referred is based on the pain where it's located. Third one is intensity. It is measured by the measurement scale by giving 1 to 10 units. Mild, it's of 3. Mild in this 1 to 3. Moderate is for 4 to 6 and severe is for 7 to 10. Fourth one is etiology. It's of two types, nociceptive and the neuropathic. Nociceptive in this nervous system sends signals to the damaged tissues. It's of two types, somatic and visceral. Somatic in this pain originate from the somatic area, and in visceral from the visceral areas. Neuropathic, it's from the damaged nerve, that is of peripheral and central. In peripheral from PNS and for central from CNS. Theories of pain. First one is intensity theory. That's the summation of the pain. Second one is the specificity theory. It's a special system of the nerves which carry message from receptors to the pain center of the brain. Gate control theory is a biophysiosocial approach. Basically, gate control theory is to reduce the pain. When painful stimulus came, A delta and C unmyelinated fiber goes to spinal cord via primary neuron, where they synapse with the secondary neurons in substantia gelatinous by exciting the secondary neurons by substance P and the glutamate. This secondary neuron goes to another side of the spinal cord where it goes contralaterally to the thalamus, and there they synapse with the third neuron, and this third neuron goes to postcentral gyrus. Then we perceive the pain. This pain signal can be interrupted in the substantia gelatinous of the spinal cord, which acts like a gate. When deep touch is done, then SNA corpuscle is excited in the dermis. Then it goes signal from DCML, that is dorsal column medial meniscus, to the spinal cord, where it combine with the secondary neurons and release the inhibitory neurotransmitters like nephrine. Then this secondary neuron on the same side goes to the thalamus and then to the third neurons by giving that no pain is there.